Welcome class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. Today we are back with another SolidWorks 3D modeling design tutorial video. So if you like our previous video tutorial, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel for latest updated design videos and tips and tricks. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification of latest video tutorials. I know you have get idea on today's video tutorial topic at the starting of this video. So we creating this 3D model in SolidWorks 3D part environment. For that we need new SolidWorks document. Press Ctrl+N button for new SolidWorks document window. I can see here new SolidWorks document window is open. I can see here part, assembly and drawing. Three options are visible. So click on part option and click on OK option. Now wait for few seconds to load SolidWorks 3D environment. Now you can see here this is SolidWorks 3D environment, and you can see your left side. This is today's video topic. This is a drawing of bracket. This is the front view at the bottom side and top view at the upper side, because this is third angle method drawing. Now set first units mmgs, okay, millimeter gram second. Now next one we need to create this front view on front plane first, and we started new initiative in this video tutorial, and that is we creating only half portion of this bracket, and other one we creating by using mirror command from features option. For that we need create only half portion on front plane. This is only for to boost your imagination in mechanical drawings or SolidWorks 3D modeling. So before starting, please read all drawing annotations, dimensions from front view and top view for better understanding to creating 3D model in SolidWorks. Here I am reading all drawing annotations from front view because we need to create first front view on front view. For that select front plane for front view and go to the sketch and sketch on it. First center line. Here I am creating center line, okay, vertical center line, then horizontal center line also, okay. Put here smart dimensions to center line. Here I am putting 100 mm for vertical and horizontal is 40 mm, okay. Now next one, create random portion of lower side by using line command. Select line and create a random drawing portion. Here I am creating random drawing portion, okay, one by one. Now give smart dimension to this portion. Put here smart dimensions by using smart dimension command. First 10 mm. Here I am putting 10 mm. Now next one, adjust this dimension for visible. Now 30 mm. Next one 10 mm again, okay, put here 10 mm, okay, adjust. Again next one 15 mm. This is 5 mm slot, put here 5 mm. Now next one we need to create upper portion and put here vertical dimension 50 mm because there is no dimensions are present in drawing, so assume it 50 mm. Offset this entity at reverse side and put here distance 10 mm. Now OK. Next one, smart dimensions or line. First create line to close this portion. Now smart dimension, put here vertical distance 50 mm. Assume this dimension 50 mm. Okay. Now next one, smart dimension of this line 10 mm. Okay. Now put here fillet first. Okay, this is 5 mm fillet, radius 5 mm. Put here radius 5 mm. Then okay. Now again radius 15 mm. Put here 15 mm. Okay. Now our bottom portion and mid portion is created. Now next one, we need to extrude these portions, okay, by using extrude boss base command. First adjust all drawing annotations for better understanding. Okay, now go to the features and select extrude boss base. Now select contour first. First we need to create this bottom portion. Select mid plane and put here distance 90 mm. Okay, 90 mm visible in top view. Now next one, we need sketch 1 again for extrude middle portion. For that go to the tree and select sketch 1 and click right mouse button and click on show option. Now you can see here our sketch 1 is show. Now select extrude and select this line. Now select contours clear selection and now select this portion. Okay, now uncheck the thin feature. Okay, and put here mid plane. Put here distance 70 mm. The 70 mm is not given in drawing, so assume it 70 mm. Now hide the sketch. You can see here we can creating this extrude boss base bottom portion and middle portion in a single sketch. Now next one, we need to create top portion of this drawing. For that we need to select the top face of this middle portion. Now select first top face, sketch and select top face. Now Ctrl plus 8 button for normal to. Now sketch on it a circle of 50 mm diameter and 30 mm diameter. Go to the circle command and create two circles, random two circles. Now give smart dimensions. First circle 50 mm diameter, put here 50 mm. Now second circle 30 mm diameter. Now next one, convert entity, okay, of vertical line. Now trim out unwanted area from drawing. We need only half portion of this drawing. Okay, next one, go to the features and select extrude boss base. Now extrude this portion up to 30 mm. Put here 30 mm distance. Now click on OK option. Now you can see here the upper portion is created. Now next one, we need to visible and show the previous sketch. For extrude cut, now go to the extrude cut and select the edge of circle. Now go to the contours and clear this selection. Now again go to the drawing and select this portion. Okay, next one, OK option. Now you can see here the extrude cut option is now activated and hole is created. Now next one, we need to create two holes point. For creating holes of 10 mm. Now go to the points and create two random points. Okay, now give smart dimensions to these points. Now distance is 50 mm between these 2 points. Put here 50 mm. Now next one, go to this horizontal distance from center point of the axis, and this point is 65 mm. Now vertical alignment of these 2 points, and put here smart dimensions of this vertical distance of this point and center point of the axis, 25 mm. Now points are created and fully defined. Now next one, exit the sketch and go to the hole wizard to creating holes. Please always remember, holes are created by using only hole wizard in any drawing. Now select third type, simple hole, and standard is and symmetric type is dowel holes, and select size 510 mm. Go to the position and select 3D sketch. Now go to the points, select these points one by one. Now go to the OK option. Now you can see here our holes are created of 510 mm. You can see here in a tree. Now next one, we need to create a rib by using boundary boss base. For that, select front plane and go to the sketch. Now Ctrl+8 button for normal tool. First, convert all entities from previous drawing. Now select all convertible entities from drawing. Now OK option. Now create one angular line from top portion point and bottom portion upper point. Now trim out all unwanted area. Next one, I am trimming out all unwanted area. Select trim command and trim out all unwanted area. We creating rib by using boundary boss base. For that, we creating this type of shape of rib. Now next one, 10 mm arc on top side of this upper portion and bottom portion and lower portion. Now for that, exit the sketch and create 10 mm arc first. For that, go to sketch and select this top face. Now Ctrl+8 button and adjust this drawing. Now next one, convert entity first, this circle edge. Now circle edge now converted. Now go to the center line and create horizontal center line. Now next one, offset this center line of 5 mm both sides. Now click on OK option. Put here first 5 mm bidirectional. Now you can see here offset is now created. Now next one, we need to trim out all unwanted area or portion. Now for that, select trim command and trim out all unwanted area. Now next one, we got a 10 mm arc at upper side. Now exit the sketch. Now next one, select bottom face for another arc. Go to sketch and select this face. Now convert top arc at bottom side. Now convert entity and select previous arc. Now OK. Now you can see here previous arc is now converted on bottom side also. Now exit the sketch and go to the features and select boundary boss to creating rib. At direction 1, select arc first. You can create more than 3 or 4 arcs as per your requirement. Select 2 arcs and direction 2, select vertical lines. Now you can see here the rib is now created. Now go to the options and select or uncheck the merge results. Now you can see here the rib is now created, and you can see here rib is exactly touches with circular edges, and by using boundary boss base you can create rib the exact size and shape. Now next one, we need to mirror this whole object, okay, to creating remaining half portion. Select first right plane. Now go to the features or bodies and select whole body. Okay, now you can see here all half portion is now created or converted into full body. Now our part is created by using boundary pose base mirror command. Okay, you can see here I am creating this object by using mirror command because I already told you in this video tutorial to boosting your imagination regarding 3D modeling in SolidWorks and mechanical drawings. For that, creating half portion only in this video tutorial. Now go to the display style to visible all orientations. First go to the orientations. Now front view and top view as per our drawing. Now go to the display style and select fourth type. Go to the display style and select third and fourth type as per your drawing requirement. Now you can see here all hidden lines and hidden portion are visible in this display style. This is front view and this is top view as per our drawing. That means our drawing is correct as per our given drawing. Now I hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial and this helpful in your boosting your knowledge. Then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel for latest updated design videos and tips and tricks in SolidWorks as well as AutoCAD. So hit the bell icon for notification of our channel for latest updated design videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.